Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule messages on WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp application. After opening it, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and go to Settings. Under Settings, you'll find an option called Business Tools. If you see the Business Tools option, tap on it, and under that, you'll find Away Message. If you don't find it directly, you can use the search bar and type Away Message. Once you find it, tap on it, and you'll be able to set the date and time to schedule your message on WhatsApp. You can also go to your Tools section at the bottom right, where you'll see the message option. Turn it on, then select Schedule, choose Custom Schedule, and set your start time and end time. Finally, tap on Save at the top right corner. That's how you can easily schedule messages on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.